What up, gang? As you can see, we back at it with the TC, man. For today, all I really got planned is to go ahead and swap everything I need to between these two engines under this tarp. What's good, what's not. Got my bags labeled and everything with all the nuts and bolts. Just to show y'all a little bit, front mount, miscellaneous, because I couldn't figure out where the hell these went, but they gonna pop up, watch. S-pipe, rear flange, stuff like that, man. What I'm gonna do right now, I had to go ahead and do that because there was nuts and bolts all over the place, all over the cow. I'm gonna pressure wash the engine bay, man, because it's disgusting, bro. Check it out. That's pretty gross, man. You know what I mean? We gotta get it all out. We gotta get it all out. Oh, matter of fact, I got new axles that came in recently. They came in yesterday. 2 new axles, driver side, passenger side. That's what we got going on today, man. In the meantime, y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all right? Get this channel going. So I just went ahead and pressure washed the engine bay real good. Pressure wash concrete a little bit, you know, just to make the workspace a little bit more cleaner. Actually, I had transmission fluid all over the place, so it's getting a little bit slippery. Here's the engine bay afterwards. I'm pretty sure y'all see the huge difference with just a little bit of pressure washing, man. Just a little bit of pressure washing. About to take this tarp off a little bit right now because it did start to drizzle for a second. Start swapping stuff over, man. Here's the old engine right here, and here's the new one. Pretty much I gotta mock everything up the same way this one is set up right now. Gonna mock it up, replicate it how it sits, so it'll be easier to reverse everything and put everything back in. The engine's finally in, man. I got the motor mounts in. That one's tightened up all the way. Still gotta do the rear all the way, the front all the way, and the driver all the way. Got the box in, but I gotta take it apart because I just remembered I gotta tighten those down to torque all the way. AC is just hanging right here. The rest of the intake is just hanging right here. All harness, injectors, core packs, everything to the transmission. This goes to the air box. Everything, yeah, like everything to the transmission is all in. Gotta do the starter too, can't forget that. I made sure all of the grounds were on correctly, which is surprisingly this chassis only has a couple. Oh, well, here's another one right here too, but it goes to the battery. As much of a pain it was to get out, same situation getting it back in. It was a bitch. It really was. Alright, man, so tomorrow, fluids, axle, torque everything up. A new oil filter, already threw the filter inside of the box. I have a cabin filter too, new spark plugs. I'm pretty confident that I can crank up no problem. Fluids, axles, torque everything. We should have our first crank tomorrow, man. If y'all can't tell, I've been wrenching, tired, I'm greasy. Can't wait to get back to Hondas. I'm serious. We're gonna fire this thing up tomorrow for sure. That's a fact. Y'all ready for that? Gang, what up? Again, This is another new day, man. It won't be the first start. It'll actually probably be like the 10th start. The first couple tries, I had issues with a ground. I'm guessing the ground wasn't good enough. So what I had done was I looked it up, you know, try to figure it out too. Other people had the same issues. I had a buzzing inside of the fuse relay, and I was like, what the fuck, man? What the fuck's going on? I didn't have any light to my cluster. There was like a whole bunch of little issues, and I was just like, damn, man, I really hope that the wiring on the harness wasn't fucked up. Well, I looked it up, and there's actually one dude that did a manual swap to his TC years ago, and the info on there was fucking perfect, man. So what I did was I grounded the battery terminal ground to the transmission, you know, to the starter, and bam, everything's straight, you know what I mean? Just had to get some fresh gas. Other than that, everything's pretty golden. The AC feels like it needs to be recharged, or maybe the compressor went out, not sure yet, but I do have a spare compressor. Here we go, first start, man. Y'all ready? Well, first start for y'all. Temp is good. That old school, bro. Idles perfectly. That's gotta go away. We're gonna figure that out too, because everything's pretty much fucking brand new. So yeah, we'll figure it out. There we go. Everything gravy, man. Everything gravy. That's the restoration right there. We're about to change the brakes. This vehicle is going right on the market. Bam, coilovers, new wheels, new tires, a whole bunch of new shit, okay? You know, my Honda family out there, we're gonna get right back to y'all, all right? So, hope y'all enjoyed these vlogs. Let's get it. Y'all ready for that? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get it restored and detailed and all that bullshit too. Paint looks pretty good already. It's just a little oxidized. We're gonna bring that shine back, all right? Y'all ready for that?